Today I'm going to do drive review of Tata Tiago. As you can see, I am driving this car. The first thing first, the clutch is very light in Tata Tiago, so you simply have no problem at all in changing the gear. The gear throws a little long, but it's not very long that it will kind of create any kind of disturbance. So it's, I would say it's optimum one, not as sleek as Honda or Maruti, but not bad either. And the gear is quite perfect, so when you try to position the gear, it will fall in place quite smoothly. There is no problem. So if you are driving for a very long time, you won't face any problem as such. Now, next important thing is the riding comfort. The car has been fantastic in terms of riding comfort. It's a small car, it's a hatchback car, and it has got a 14-inch wheel, and the tire profile is 175/65 R14. Even with this kind of profile and wheel, and considering the car size, the ride and the suspension setup is in a extremely well. So you won't feel a lot of bumps. If you are going very fast, then you are definitely going to experience bumps if the road condition is not good. But if you are going slow, it's not very evident. So most of the bumps are well soaked, and you won't feel that jitter inside the cabin. However, the suspension setup is on a softer side. Overall, I would say the suspension setup and ride quality is extremely good in this car, considering its size. Next good thing is the steering. The steering is very light, very responsive and accurate, very good to drive in city condition. So if you are driving in tight roads with a lot of traffic, or you are trying to park the car quickly, you won't have any problem. The steering is very light, and it's absolutely easy. You can actually move the steering in with one finger. I can't do that now since the road is not that empty, but literally you will be able to steer it with one finger. The infotainment system inside the car is not that great, because I am using the XT optional. With XT and higher version of the car, you get Harman music system, which is very good. So with higher version, you get a good quality music system and audio system also. But in this car, unfortunately, the audio quality, the speaker quality is not that great. So that's one drawback, I would say, since it does not come with a default music system. Other than that, the visibility here is extremely good. So you have absolutely no problem. There is no blind spot. The A-pillar is quite thick. Even though the A-pillar is thick, there is not much problem in looking into the corner of the road. So it's very well designed. Apart from that, the seating comfort, the driver's seat and the passenger seat are very well cushioned, so you won't feel bad if you are riding on the city. However, on a long drive, there may be some fatigue, because the seat cushioning is slightly on a softer side. So on a long drive, you may sense some fatigue, and you may need to take some break to come out of that. So that is it. So moreover, I would say it's quite decent, and there is no major complaint as such that I have. The fit and finish That's always been a problem in Tata cars, that the fit and finish is not that great. The same story is not true for Tiago. Tata has significantly improved the quality, the fit and finish, so you really won't feel that bad if you have driven a old Tata car like Indica or Jest. The fit and finished in Tiago and and Ultras and other Dixon are significant improvement compared to earlier generation of Tata car. However, the plastic still feels very kind of average quality, so it will not give you kind of very premium feeling when you are inside the car. It is very normal. You will not feel very bad. It's all hard plastic everywhere. Hard plastic on the top, hard plastic on the door. The steering is not leather wrapped. It is XT optional variant. Of course, in the top variant you get leather wrapped steering wheel. You can do a leather steering cover from outside also. It's not a problem at all. Many things you can do retrofitment, but most important thing that you cannot do retrofitment is the safety. And with respect to safety, this car comes with ABS, EBD, corner stability control and dual airbag. And the body structure is really solid, and you may have heard in different videos people are calling it chota tank. So it's really solid. When you drive this car, when you close the door, when you open the bonnet, you will feel the solidness of the car, and it feels very safe and secure when you are inside the car. On the back side, you have possibility to sit place for two adults, so the two adults can sit comfortably on the back seats. However, a small child can of course be seated in the middle, but definitely that is not a seat for this is not a car for where in the back seat you could house three full-size adults. Definitely not that. It will be extremely tight and uncomfortable for them. Overall, I would say this car ticks all the boxes: the ride comfort, the driving dynamics, the visibility, the light clutch and light steering wheel, the safety. All overall makes this a perfect package, and of course this comes at a very well price point, which makes it definitely a value for money buy. And I would definitely recommend anyone who has mostly city drive and some highway drive to go for this car without any doubt, especially considering the safety aspect of the car. It's definitely worth buying this product, considering that in this kind of category you won't get a car with 4-star GNCAF safety rating. This comes with also a digital instrument cluster, and the AC is also extremely strong. So you can see that I have also switched on the heater, so the heater is also going on, because if I make it full cold, turn it to full cold mode, then the car gets cold, extremely it gets extremely cold. So the AC is really very strong and there is no complaint at all. From inside you can also control the rear view mirror, okay, and the IRVM is manually adjustable. So it's a manually adjustable day-night IRVM. The dash cam is something that is part of accessories, and it's one of the accessories that I have fitted from outside, but this is a very important accessories which probably I will cover in a separate video. There is not much anything. So this side is a ticket holder, and this is just a sun visor. You get grab handles out here. The wiper is good, it's very good. However, I would not say that it's not a aero twin wiper, it's a regular wiper. There is a problem when you drive this car, especially in the rainy season, and especially during night. The wipers somehow not able to clean in a very proper way, so it leaves the water spots on the glass, on the windshield. So what I'm doing is that I'm using a windshield cleaning solution that has solved that problem, and I will share the link of that video in the I button. So for the monsoon time, you can use that windshield solution in case you are facing similar problem with your Tata Tiago wiper. Thank you for staying with me. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to share and come back with new contents, and do stay tuned for my upcoming blog. Thank you very much. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please comment and share this video for better reach. Thank you for watching.